Hello, in this video, we are going to finish our homepage features. That's the idea at least. And I'm going to explain what are the features that need to finish in a second. I'm also deploying a new version, like with our menu, then we can see it live. And always remember, it's very easy to deploy, like just meet your deploy. Okay, but let's do it. So the idea is to finish the features for the homepage, right? And for me, one that's broken, I think we just put a placeholder, 12 upvotes. Then first, that's the one that I want to fix. I want to have real upvotes here. But if you're following the series, I believe we said that I think we are not saving for the groups how many votes we have in the topics and in the content. But let's confirm because I really don't remember. As we are using schema, it's usually simple. Just check here. Like it's not in the common topics count. No, then we don't have the upvote count. But let's check in the topic because I believe we start this here. Yeah. And I think we have like a function that is able to count. And we also have this parent. Let's see. I don't remember, but let's see where we update it. Maybe here, no, upvote. It's here that you find the upvotes. Here was to create an index. That you do. Here we have an upvote function. Okay, then we find the topic, we find the user, we insert or we update it. Okay. And we also update the counts. I think this is the one that you can also call one level up and update. Yeah, let's do it. And where are we? Upvotes count by topic. Upvotes count by topic. Okay, but now I need to know also where are we storing. Oh, we just update. We don't decrement later. When you call undo, we always update all the way. Okay. Then let's just do the same. Like let's update the upvote counts in the group. But we don't have this field there. Then we are going to define here. Okay, now we have it. Then we are going to create like this. But then this is a little bit different because if I'm just like getting the counts all the way again, ideally, I should get all the counts. Yeah, I should get all the counts from all the topics in this group. In the future, this could be a little bit expensive, but for now, I think it's okay. Then let's focus on our problems now. Like I have the group collection, then I need to get an update. But of course, I need to know what is the group. Then I'm going to fetch the topic here. I'm in the topic users collection. Then I need to use this guy, find one, topic ID. Then I have the topic, and then of course the topic has a group ID because it's a required property. We can double check it. Yeah, it's a required property. It's not optional. Okay, and then we need to do something that is similar to this. I don't know if you realize, but I try to copy and paste as much as possible. And it's not because I'm lazy. Maybe that's also true. But the idea of copy and pasting is that I don't commit mistakes. Like this code is working and I just want to have the same code. Then I just copy paste. Why I should type again? You know, of course, you don't do this if like, oh, I want to do 30 different things. I'm just copy and paste 30 different times. No. Then we extract and refactor, but that's not my point. My point is avoid typing. You are wasting time if you're just typing. Like you're not learning anything. You're not evolving. Maybe you're learning how to type faster, but that's not the point of programming. That's not what makes you more productive. That's my point. Okay, then this function here, this function is used to get like for every topic, what's the counting. Then what I'm going to do, that's why I said it's going to be a little bit a little bit too much is that we are going to get, like, for this group, I'm going to get all the topics in this group. Then I'm going to get all the topics that the group ID is the same as this one. Because I don't want to have a wrong count. That's why we are not just trying to just add one, because that can get messy. Then we are always counting again. It's better in terms of like accuracy, but maybe here we don't need to be that accurate. You could do this just every night to recalculate. But anyway, then that's the idea here. Then for each topic, I am going to check how many votes they have. Then I can use a reduce function if you want to count like this. I don't know if you know the reduce, but reduce is not implementing a cursor in Meteor. Then we need to do a fetch, and you can do a reduce, and I can have my total counts. It's not counts, right? It's upvotes. My total upvotes here, and then I can get here. But what this reduce function is going to do, if you look to the Google, reduce is a way to get a list of values, and then in the end you're going to have one. But of course you can also have a complex object. But let's go to the example. They have an example here. No, but this is not a good one. Not a good one. I want a simple one. Yeah, but that's the idea. Like you get an accumulator where you're going to store your value, and we start with 0 in this case, and the actual value. The actual value is like a for each. It's going to send the actual value here, each item. Then this is what we're going to do. Then we have the accumulator here. That will be our total of upvotes, and we have an actual value. But our actual value, what's going to be? I'm going to decide now. Then what fields that I need? I just need the fields where we have the total of votes. Then I'm just going to get this field. Then I have my second here, that is just an object, that is my topic, but I just want to get this field. Then I'm going to do like this. And then I'm going to start this reduce function with 0. And I can provide my implementation, that is my accumulated value plus my upvotes. I'm trying to, maybe it was too fast because I use reduce like all the time, but it's basically the same idea. What's the difference here? We already have the numbers, right? Here, I don't have the number. I have an object where I'm getting a field that has the number that I want. Then it's exactly the same, but the difference here, I'm already extracting the number from the object that I'm getting here. If it's too confusing, you should do what? You should go here. And you should go to, where is it? Maybe it will be on language. I think it will be in language. And then you can see here like function, reduce, and you should upvote. Like upvote. This is bad because I click in one and it's explained all of them. We're like, oh, I really need to understand what Philip said about reduce functions. Then you click here. And you sign up, and you go back here, and you vote. Then I'm going to record the topics that are most voted. That's the whole idea of this platform, you know? Then click here if you want to know more, because this click here is going to be ready pretty soon. Okay, then that's the upvote, and I think it's going to work, and I think everything will be perfect. But remember, this operation here, all the time someone upvotes, is a heavy operation. You probably should have done this in a different way, just incrementing, and in the night you can count again just to be sure everything's correct. But I don't expect this app to be like, oh, 1 million of access every day, everybody clicking. I don't think we have that much people studying coding, plus that much people watching me. Then I don't think this is going to be a problem. But you need to be careful with these decisions. But usually it's a good trade-off. Like, okay, I want to move fast. I want to do a code that is right and fast for the size of base that I have right now. I don't need to worry about like 1 million user because I have 0. Not 0, I have like 200. Then we need to be careful with these decisions, okay? But anyway, let's see if this is working. There is an error here. Okay, it's tied to hot module replacements, try to create the same collection again, but I don't think this error is going to affect us. Okay, let me return because, oh, we need to create the back arrow here, but that's not our goal today. Our goal is to fix the homepage. Then let me sign up because I think I don't have any user in my database. Then I can go here and then I will vote and I can check in my database if I have a group with votes as well. This group was logic and algorithms. Yeah, 1 vote. Let me try here. It should be 2 votes. Yep. Let me unvote. And it should be 1 vote again. Yeah, it's working. It's working nicely. Then I already can use this field in my UI because I'm not using. If you go back, you see I still have 12, 12, 12 because this is just a string. Let me go back here and fix this. Then now we have this nice upvotes count. That's the name, right? Group.upvotes count. Yeah, upvotes count. See? 1 upvote. And again, man, like how can I make this design friendly? Like how can I make this looking nice? We could do something like my votes. Let me see. How can I do this? I could do like the upvotes. If you have any votes, I can do like this votes. And if I don't have any, be the first. Be the first. Yeah, I'm not sure if this is good. First vote. No votes. Yeah, I'm not sure. No upvotes. 1 up, maybe 1 up, 1 up, 2 up. No ups. Yeah, smaller. No up, no up, 1 up. Yeah, it's not perfect, but the top is correct, the number is correct, and it's working. Like if you go here, and I click here, and then I click here, and then I return, and I'm going to see 1 up. And if I go to data, and I go here, and I click here, then I return, I see 1 up. Yeah, I think this is good for our screen. I like maybe you should click here to see the topics are here instead of the C. Let's remove this. Let's see if I think it's going to be bad because it will be like an empty card. But let's confirm. Yeah, not that bad. I don't know why we have like a lot of spacing here. We have some extra padding probably. Why have this much space? Oh, they have a padding, a lot of padding. Yeah, they have like a lot of padding. And then inside, I probably have more padding. But I don't think it's my padding. Yeah, just because of this tag also has padding. Yeah, but what do you think? Maybe you should just get this on click in the items here. Like upvotes, if you click, you go. Topics, you should click anywhere, right? To be honest, you should click in the card, and that's it. Yeah, you should click in the card. Oh, this is the old expand. We are not using this. If I'm not crazy, are you using this? No, we should remove this. Fake upvote should be here. So how to see the topics? Yeah. Let's clean up. Let's clean up. Let's clean up. Okay, now you can click anywhere. I don't know if that's the best way, but usually when I want the click to be everywhere, I create a class that's called clickable. And then I just apply this class, but it's basically just have a cursor pointer, then that pointer. Then the user can understand like everything is clickable. Can you see? Because my card is a clickable component now. Let's see what else. What else? No ups, 1 up. You can click. You can see the topics. Maybe need some help here for the first time. Like if the user is here for the first time, you should have maybe an explanation on how it works, and you should click there. But I don't think this is necessary right now. Like it's already possible to upvote. and see here. Then you can see what the group is more popular, and you can also inside the group what content is more popular. Okay, and also like I still figuring this out, because you need to remember that we are going to have like topics that are already recorded. Then like if you have upvotes there, but they are already recorded, what do you want? Like if you upvote again, it's like a thumbs up. Like thumbs up should be a different thing, right? Or it's just that you want more content, or the content's not good and you need more. Like then we still need to figure this out together. I need your feedback. Then comment below. I think right now in this version, when you fix this page, it will be pretty good to receive upvotes. I don't see any other major feature to allow you to upvote me. I think this is going to be enough for upvotes. Yep, that's it for this video. I was just thinking out loud here. As I always say, I try to not think about this platform when I'm not recording, because I think the development is also includes the thinking about the platform. Then I'm trying to think with you here in these calls. Okay? Then I'm going to push this and I'm going to deploy again. Then you can see this live when this video is live. See you in the next video.